You have to be very clear about what is your goal. Next 10 years you will be achieving financial freedom by exclusively if you can. This is for 10,000 rupees in a year 10 years before. If you invested 10,000 in every year 10,000 only. Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today's video is very important and I would request you to watch the video till end. Today's video contains a very important concept of wealth creation. The video is about how Infosys generated wealth for investors over last 1 decade. So I am analyzing 10 years Infosys actions, how it has generated wealth and how investors got wealthy, and we'll be doing a sample analysis of by investing 10,000 prior to 10 years and what will be the value right now and what will be the dividend we'll be getting. All those things we'll be analyzing today's video. I will request you to watch the video till end and understand this concept of wealth creation so that you will not be wasting your time in any other stocks, rather than you will be concentrating on the stocks which will be having which are generating values and which are generating wealth, like Infosys, and you will be investing on those shares and become wealthy. I will request you to appreciate the video if you found the value and the contents present in the video is very good for your wealth generation, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. I will be dividing this video in two parts. One part will be for the amount 10,000 which we invested 10 years before and what will be the value right now, and the other video will be the continuous investment of 10,000 over a period of 10 years, what will be the current value. So in this video you will be very clear that those who invested 10,000 before 10 years in Infosys and continued that investment over a period of 10 years, the value created is very good. And I'm not saying that you invest only 10,000. This is the money, rather practical money, and you can invest and forget. So the value generated by for that investment is very good, and that I am showing with the data. So I request you to watch the video till end and give your thoughts as comments. This slide is from Infosys annual report. If you wish to read more about Infosys, you can go to Infosys site and download the annual report. There you can see all the valuable information regarding the company. So for this particular video, I have taken the one slide from there, and in this you can see that I am taking a period of 2012 to 2022. For that period, there was 3 times 1:1 bonus issue happened. So that is from 2015 financial year, 2016 financial year, and 2019 financial year. If you take the previous history over a period of time, there were so many bonus issues happened in Infosys. So that was very wealth generating events happened. But for a 10 period of history, Infosys 10 periods, only 3 times bonus issue happened. So this is for your reference only. I am going through the slides and the details I will be presenting. Apart from the bonus issue, there were dividend also paid by the company. All those things will be put it in a Excel and it will be presented to you. This is the Excel sheet which I have prepared. From this you can see that I have taken from 2012 to 2022 and I have mentioned the month and the share price is in that month. What was the share price that I have taken, not detailed like date wise. I have not taken the share price, only in that month what was the share price I have taken, and there may be slight variation in the share price. Thing is that this price was there at that point of time of that month. So if you consider the share price, then I have invested amount column. For our calculation purpose, I have considered from November 12. If you invested in November 2012, 10,000 amount was invested, you will be getting, then I have mentioned about the bonus share field is there. Bonus share, then if there is any bonus issue happened by the company, I will be mentioned that, and then invested share. So for the 10,000, if you divided the 10,000 divided by the share price 334, then 29.9 it will be coming. So I have taken as a rounded figure as 30. So you, for 10,000 invested at that point of time in 2012, you will be getting 30 shares. So I have mentioned that 30, and then the value, invested value, the what will be the value at that point of time, that is the 10,000 only, because you have invested 10,000 at that price and you will be getting 10,000. But there was some dividend happened at that point of time 2012, that is dividend per share was 47. So the dividend you got was 1410. So that year 2012 you got the dividend of 1410. And in November 2013, the share price at that point of time was 416, and you have not invested. I am considering only 10,000 invested in 2012 and forgot, if you have forgot that. So in that you can see that after the total calculation, 10,000 got increased to, as per share value itself, 3,61,440. So that was the kind of wealth generation happened for a simple 10,000 rupees you invested in Infosys 10 years before. Apart from this, there was so many other things like dividend. So the dividend you got, there were so many dividend. So if you take the sum of it was 45,240 rupees, you got the dividend itself. So that kind of wealth creation happened. If suppose you have invested more amount, 10,000 invested that, and then every year you invested 10,000, there were so many calculations it's possible. I'll be coming up with such a calculation in next video. For this particular video, I'll be concentrating on this 10,000 rupees and will be showing you how much was. If you increase that amount to 1 lakh, it will be like 36 lakh you will be getting. So all those kind of multiple wealth generations happened in this particular stock. So here you can see that for the 10,000 in 2012 you got a dividend per share 47, and then 1,410, and in 2013 also the share price is 416, and then you got the investment value of 12,000 and 12,480, and you got the same dividend per share of 47 and 1,410 you got. And then in 2014 520 was the share price, and you have 30 shares in your account, and then investment value got increased to 15,600, and the dividend per share was 73. So 2,190 rupees you got the dividend. So in 2014, that is financial year 2015, December 2014, there was a 1:1 stock bonus issue happened. So you have at that point of time you'll be having 30 share in your account, and you will be getting additional 30 share. So the total share comes to 60 share you have, and then at that point of time the for share price is 498. So 498 into 60, you will be having 29,880 as your invested investment value. And then in June 2015, another bonus issue happened of 1:1. So from 60 you will be getting additional 60 shares, and total shares will be 120. So at that time the share price was 493, and you would be having 59,160 as your investment, total investment value. See the jump from 1,000 rupees you invested 3 years before, and now it is 59,160, and you got at that same time you got a dividend of 14.75 for the after the split. So total 120 shares and 14.75 per share, you will be getting 1,770 rupees as dividend. So in 2015 you have there was no bonus issue, but you have shares of 120 shares of Infosys, and you will be having 10 rupees as dividend, and 1,200 rupees you will be getting as dividend. And in 2016 also there was no bonus issue, but you have 120 shares, and at that times 565 is the per share value, and you will be having 67,800 as your investment value, and then you got 25 rupees as dividend, and 3,030 you will be getting a dividend. At the same time you will be having your money as multiplied to 67,800, the 10,000 invested, that will be generating a dividend of 3,000, as well as the value is 67,800. So in 2017-18 also you have a dividends 25-27, and you got a 3,330 in 2017 as dividend. And then in 2018 there was 2018 September 2018, that is financial year 2019, there was another 1:1 bonus issue. So 120 shares you have got additional 120 share, total 240 shares you have, and the value is 1,73,760 rupees. You have the 10,000 amount you have invested in November 2012, now 1,73,760 rupees the value. That is a very huge wealth generation happened, and you are getting dividends of 3,000 2,000 like that. So if you consider this total dividend, you see that the total 18,000 you have already invested 10,000, and that amount already you have got back as dividend. At the same time you have another 1,73,760 as your investment value in your demat account. So the kind of wealth generation is very commendable, and over a period of time the company has given so much value, generated so much value. And other thing is that you will not be getting this kind of analysis or this kind of wealth generation ideas from your day-to-day videos, or if you take a paid service also, they will not be exclusively giving you this idea, because those people who understand, they are investing in this company and they are generating money and they are putting it to the demat account, and they will not be telling about this idea, this particular aspect to anybody else. I have understood this idea and I am giving you that idea through my videos. And I personally also missed this idea because I was not aware of this concept earlier. Now I have realized this. I have started investing in Infosys, exclusively Infosys, because this company is that much potential is there. If it has generated so much value in last 10 years, and prior to that also there was tremendous value created, it has the potential to come in coming years also. And IT is one of the top industry, it will be thriving in coming years. So there may be some recession news, there may be some bad news, understand that thing, but you have to be very clear about what is your goal. Next 10 years you will be achieving financial freedom by exclusively, if you can, this is for 10,000 rupees in a year 10 years before. If you invested 10,000 in every year 10,000 only, that video will be coming in next video. I'll be putting that video also. If you don't want to miss that video, please subscribe to this channel and give your comments, so that I will be motivated to coming up with such more wealth generation ideas. And if you have any other queries, please comment with the comment. Please like the video. I put it, the target for this video is 10,000 minimum like I want this video, because that is the kind of analysis, that the kind of effort I have taken to coming up with the video, because preparing all this Excel sheet and understanding the entire thing, I have taken so much time, and after that I am putting these videos. So please appreciate if you are getting something from this video, some concept or some mind-blowing concept, eye-opening concept, please give something in return, like, or I'm not telling you to subscribe to my any of the video, subscribe to paid service, nothing. The only thing you can do is that give the like button and appreciate my effort. So this value, the kind of value generated by this company is tremendous. And then coming to the next October 2018, there was another dividend of 7 rupees per share, 1,680 rupees you got as dividend. At the same time you will be having in your demat account 1,65,600, because there was some correction happened in the share price. This can be happening, but you will not be worrying, because you will not be selling this share. You should not sell one share, because there may be some tremendous cycles happening. The value will be the share price will be going up and down, but do not worry, you are getting continuous dividend. And this is enough, because for 10,000 only I'm telling about this is almost 16% of your initial amount. Every year you will be getting 15% of your amount as dividend, plus there is a tremendous wealth generation happened. If you calculate the CAGR, I forgot to take the CAGR, that is will be very, very, very high. So In 2019 also 680 for the share price, you are getting 22.5 as dividend, 5400 you got that's dividend. In 2021 also you have 30 rupees per share, 7200 as dividend. In 2022 there is 32.5 as share dividend, and you have the value. If you see the 1506 is the per share value, and the total wealth is 3,61,000 for at the same time you will be getting in that year 7,800 as dividend. So for 10,000 invested, it is almost per year you are getting 7,800. Over the next 2 years, it will be 10,000 and above that. So at the same time, the 30 is 3,61,000 for 40 as the amount of your capital, that is the value, investment value that is there in your demat account. So think about this, understand this, and this is very important for you. You need to concentrate your efforts, and you need to concentrate your investment in particular companies which are generating such values, and over the period of time, over the 10 years, put it as an your goal to achieve financial freedom, and from your day-to-day work job schedule you will be getting your more time, and you will be enjoying your financial freedom. All those things is possible if you are investing in these such companies, because it is a wealth building machine, and it can generate more continuous revenue in the form of dividend as well as your capital gain. So I'll be coming with another video of the same Infosys with the investment. This particular video is only for 10,000. If you, what will be happening if you invested 10,000 every year, only 10,000 every year, and what kind of wealth you have generated. You can also calculate, you can also imagine. If you are subscribing to this channel, you'll be getting the next video also. I'll be giving it to free of cost. There is no payment, there is no paid subscription, nothing is there in my channel. You can always come to this channel and watch the videos, and if you don't want to miss the video, please subscribe to this channel and give the like as an appreciation if you find something valuable in this video. And don't forget to implement this concept in your demat, and please take a cautious approach. This video is not an investment advice. This is just an eye opener for you. Just I am giving some perspective how wealth is generated, big people how they are generating wealth, and all. You will not be finding such videos in any other services, I am sure that, because nobody will be telling you this kind of concept, because these concepts are they are able to generate more wealth. If they are people are generating more wealth, they will not be disclosing to anybody. That is the kind of field we are. And you can, if you find this video, then I'm sure, if you find this video is helpful, then I am satisfied with my effort, because somebody got this concept and they are trying to implement. Then all the Indians, whoever investing in this stock market, they can generate wealth. They don't need to go to trading, they don't need to go to some other fancy stuff for the kind of calculation morning to evening, sitting in front of trading. Nothing need to do, because the kind of wealth generation is here. They are effortless. Only 10,000 you have invested, and forget that over the period of 10 years what kind of wealth is there. So if this can be implemented for further levels also, I'll be coming up with such videos. Please subscribe to this channel, and you can if you find any query, any doubt, if you want any analysis of any other share, please give the comment in this below the video. I'll be happy to come up with such comments. And I really request you, I really wish you to understand this concept and implement in your investment strategy. Thank you.